Hey, quick little 4th of July update. Had a little time before I went over to my friend's house to watch the fireworks. Some of my parts came in. I got my same style block heater that's in the car right now, except this one's not ripped to shreds. I've got the glow plug relay, 4 brand new glow plugs, reman injectors. This one was horrible to get out. I don't really know what I'm looking at. This one's pretty dry, and the injector kind of looked clogged. This one's wet. These two are wet. I would assume that means they're working. But on the injector side right here, here they are in the same order. Left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how it is. But this one was the one that was really hard. And if it can focus. That tip looks pretty gross. But I've got all this stuff too. I'm gonna ultrasonic clean it all. So hopefully that works out. And glow plugs too, which those looked all gross. So hopefully that fixes my issue. So quick little update. All right, took the injectors out, swapped the glow plugs. I got all 4 glow plugs in there right now. So we're gonna do a little test just to see if the glow plugs work. Glow plug light on the dash is on. And it looks like they're glowing. Heck yeah. Next is putting a new injector. All right, well, let's see this first. Start up, see if something happens. Yeah! Hell yeah! First part, got a little leaky injector. All right, I'll go fix that. We're just gonna get out and check for the leaks. Yo, we're moving! I can't believe we made it. We made it. Hell yeah. Oh, it's running. Oh, I cannot explain how happy I am right now. I cannot believe this thing's running and I'm moving. It's so much work to go, but oh, we're going. Next up is that annoying buzzer. That's super bad. All right, well, I'm gonna get back home before I can't.